When it comes to finding the best PEB designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With years of experience and a strong track record in the industry, SCON Design has established itself as a leader in providing innovative and efficient PEB design solutions. As one of the best PEB designers in Yelahanka, SCON Design is known for its commitment to quality and excellence. The team at SCON Design consists of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are dedicated to delivering top-notch PEB designs that meet the unique requirements of each client. Their attention to detail and meticulous approach ensure that every project is completed to perfection. What sets SCON Design apart from other PEB designers in Yelahanka is their focus on sustainability and eco-friendliness. They understand the importance of designing structures that are energy efficient and environmentally friendly. By incorporating sustainable materials and practices into their designs, they help clients reduce their carbon footprint and contribute towards a greener future. In addition to their expertise in PEB design, SCON Design also offers a wide range of other services, including structural engineering, interior design, and project management. This comprehensive approach allows them to provide end-to-end solutions for their clients, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Whether you're looking to build a new structure or renovate an existing one, choosing the best PEB designers is crucial for the success of your project. With their proven track record, expertise, and commitment to quality, SCON Design India Private Ltd is undoubtedly the top choice for PEB design in Yelahanka, Bangalore. Contact them today to discuss your requirements and experience their exceptional services firsthand. When it comes to finding the best PEB designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a company that stands out. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as one of the leading players in the industry. SCON Design India Private Ltd is known for their innovative and creative approach towards PEB design, ensuring that each project they undertake is unique and tailored to meet the specific needs and requirements of their clients. What sets SCON Design apart from other PEB designers in Yelahanka is their commitment to delivering exceptional quality and customer satisfaction. They have a team of highly skilled and experienced designers who are well-versed in the latest design trends and techniques. This allows them to create PEB designs that are not only visually appealing but also functional and practical. Their attention to detail and focus on delivering superior craftsmanship sets them apart from their competitors. SCON Design India Private Ltd takes pride in their ability to deliver projects on time and within budget. They understand the importance of meeting deadlines and ensuring that the project is completed as per